Is Designhill the freelance platform for you? Let's find out. This video reviews Designhill, a platform connecting creatives with clients needing graphic design, logos, and branding. Find the link in the description. Built for design freelancers, Designhill offers services spanning logo and web design, helping clients boost their brand. Perfect for visual creatives, it offers various ways to engage. Compete in design contests by submitting work based on client briefs, a great way to build your portfolio. Or, use the Hire Me feature to list your specific design services. From illustration and 3D design to website and app design, Designhill supports diverse creative categories. You set your rates, showcase your portfolio, and clients easily evaluate your skills. Boost your efficiency with Designhill's tools and resources, including a logo maker, business card designer, and customizable templates. Direct messaging ensures smooth client communication. Designhill's transparent pricing is a major plus. You keep most of your earnings, and payment security is guaranteed. So, if you're a freelance designer wanting to offer creative services, Designhill provides opportunities to connect with clients and grow your career. Whether you prefer contests or offering set services, check out Designhill via the link below and start monetizing your design skills.